get lost. We both have our neck pillows.
2361 report at this time.
Look how cute they are. So cute.
Okay, first things first, we need a coffee.
We need a cappuccino.
Coffee, cappuccino, breakfast, ASAP. My eyes are burning. Welcome to Rome. Taking the train from the airport to our Airbnb, about 30 minutes. So this is our Airbnb for the next few days here in Rome. Pretty cool spot. The Airbnb host is really accommodating, nice. So here you have your little living room, and then over here we have our little dining room area. Over to the left is our kitchen area. This is our fridge. It's our freezer. Coffee options, stove. Nice little storage areas, yeah. Here we have our little private side back area. And then if we walk down this way, we have our own little private backyard. We found this place pretty quickly because one of the Airbnb places that we booked canceled on us last minute. So we were scrambling to try to find a place. The bathroom and bedroom area, so pretty cool. Your typical shower, it has one of those rainforests, pretty dope. Tons of storage here. This is the bedroom. Sorry, it's a little messy. We took a nap. So it's 3:48 right now. We landed around 7:15, got to our Airbnb like around 10. Just passed out for a little bit. We showered, we're ready to go. Get some spritz, coffee,
food, spreads, in that order.
What neighborhood are we in?
San Saba?
We're just gonna walk around and kind of get our bearings.
How's the cappuccino?
It's excellent. Just what we needed, huh?
Yes. First stop in Rome. And then we are headed to get some food.
And then some drinks, right? When in Rome.
Absolutely.
All right, first impressions on the Colosseum. Massive, amazing to see the architecture last thousands and thousands of years. We are now walking over to the Forum area.
So we just tried to avoid the touristy area, so we're gonna take a little side street and view the Forum just from above, and then it's time.
Yes, and then we're gonna walk over to Trevi Fountain and try to pick out a spot to get some food. The weather is phenomenal here. It's like 80 degrees, slight breeze. Not much humidity. Love Rome. First few hours.
Yeah?
First few hours. Love it.
Awesome. Let's get lost.
Yeah, let's get lost. Like a boss. Here we go, the Spanish Steps.
No, it's not. You.
Psych.
This is so good. I could have done 2 boards. This is actually supposed to be only for 1 person, she said.
This is for 1?
Yeah.
Wow. This food is so good. This cheese board, charcuterie board, is apparently for 1 person. But I guess in the States, this would easily be for 2, right?
Yes.
Like a little cute hole in the wall spot off of one of like the main touristy areas, right off of Trevi Fountain. And there was no one in here, it's just us. There's a 1-seater outside, and there's inside there is seating, air conditioned. I don't understand why people aren't even here. It's crazy. Is it too early for dinner? It's probably too early for dinner. Early bird gets the worm. Lucky us.
Want cheese with your cacio e pepe?
I do. Your cacio pepe is better.
We are in Rome, people.
But it's still really good. Yours is really spicy. I like that.
How is it?
It's really good. Super simple, but effective. Successful.
We're home.
Yeah, so we should boom,
Boom.
boom. Day 2 here. It is early afternoon. We slept in, most definitely. We're going to grab some lunch close by our Airbnb, grab some coffee. We're gonna walk over to the Spanish Steps, get that obligatory picture, and then we're just gonna go explore more of Rome. So no agenda set today. It's a little overcast. Rain is in the forecast for this afternoon, but it should clear up later in the afternoon, early evening time, so that's definitely not going to hinder our ability to get out and explore. Yesterday we had about 15,000 plus steps accumulated, so hopefully we can break that record today. All right, let's go. So I got the grilled ravioli. It's ridiculously good. The pasta here over in Italy is so much better than it is stateside. Look at that. It's grilled, crispy.
Okay, bye.
No, I'm not done. I'm done eating pasta in the States. I'm only eating pasta in Italy from now on. And we got, what is this?
It's a sparkling wine from Lazio, from this region. Trebbiano is the grape. It's a natural sparkling wine.
Sparkling, and it goes perfect with this lunch. Can't forget to get in my water quota for the day, because we'll be doing a lot of walking. Maybe un poco. Alright, we just finished up lunch right here. Beautiful spot here in San Saba neighborhood, right next to our Airbnb, literally across the street. We're just gonna walk around, kind of get lost, maybe find some more food. Yeah, man. Rome is amazing so far.
What'd you get?
So I got stracciatella, right here, I got cafe. How long have we been walking now? For
Like an hour.
we've been walking.
Maybe over an hour.
Got what, 3,000 steps in so far?
Mm-hmm.
We definitely earned this.
We're gonna get a spritz.
We're gonna get a spritz.
Finally, we didn't.
The goal is to get to the Spanish Steps. Whether we get to the Spanish Steps first before the spritz, to be determined. Right, done. Crazy, I tell you, crazy. Alright, we're on our way to the Trastevere for dinner. Such a wild scene here. Love it. This is also the shopping district. There's tons of designer clothing, brands, and stuff like that. Day 3, here we go. It is about 11:45. We just got up. It's been pretty difficult to get up the last few days. I don't know, our body's having a hard time adjusting. Anyways, we are off to go to a cooking class, and we're gonna learn to make some pasta, drink some wine, and then after that, I think we're gonna go back to the Trastevere neighborhood. I think I might be saying that wrong. We wanna explore more of that neighborhood. Lego.
More flour? Okay.
you see, especially ravioli, you see that comes up or flow, okay? And it's ready, okay?
Alright, we just finished up the cooking class. We made homemade pasta, ravioli, fettuccine. It was great, such a great experience. We booked it on getyourguide.com. Thanks to this one right here. Next, we're going to the Trastevere neighborhood. Probably just sit outside somewhere, grab some drinks, get ourselves an appetite, and then go from there. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Day 3 here in Rome. Great time in Rome. I would say for us personally, for our itinerary, perfect time for us. Like, obviously we would like to go see the Vatican, but there is obviously a time crunch, and then also having to deal with lines and crowds, something that Neek and I both really don't care for. We got an early morning tomorrow, trying to catch a train to Florence, probably before noon. Trying to get to Florence tomorrow before 2 p.m., let's say. Lego.
You have keys?
No, I do not have keys. We did Trevi Mountain, and then Trevi Mountain? Yeah.